Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. Guess what I have, guys? I told you I was going to get it soon. Took a little bit longer than I expected, but I have with me right here in front of me the phone you've been waiting for. That's right, it's the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. Oh yeah. Now, so let me kind of just pull the camera a little bit high here and tell you about this phone. So I just got this phone about 10 minutes back. In fact, I just asked the guy to turn on the phone. Shout out to Lampo, man, my buddy, who was able to get this phone for me. And I am now here to unbox it on the channel with you guys. So I'm going to put this down here and unbox the phone, and then we're going to have our first look of the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE. So let's go ahead and do this. So let me just get comfortable right here. That's right, guys, I'm on a stool here in Bangkok. And let's open this up. Let me show you the version that I got. There it is, the Mi 9 SE, 6GB, 128 gigs of storage. And this has that Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 triple camera setup, in-display fingerprint scanner, and NFC as well. So this is going to be the phone to beat all phones, and I am so excited to open this. Let's go ahead and open it. I got the black version, not the pink version, because, you know, apparently the pink version is hard to get, so I decided just to get the black one instead. And now opening this up, now you see the box is not reflective. It's kind of just the more standard box, but the 9 is reflective a little bit right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Designed by Xiaomi. There it is. And your first look, here it is. There it is. The Mi 9 SE. Oh yeah, let's open this, take this out. And there it is, your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi 9 SE. Now let's go ahead and do this together here. I'm going to remove this screen protector. There it is, Mi 9 SE, all the details in Chinese. OMG, oh yes. I love that so much. And now let's take off the back one there. You see it's got the same dual SIMs as on the Mi 9. And there it is, your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi 9 SE in this beautiful kind of graphite black color. I really do like the look of this. And you see how thin and nice this phone is looking. And I really, gosh, this is reminding me, this is giving me kind of memories of my space gray or kind of dark iPhone 7 that I used to have. I didn't get the matte black one back in the day. It's got that kind of deep dark gray color, and it's looking really nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There you go. This is your first look on Frankie Tech of the Mi 9 SE. So let's open it up, and oh my gosh, I can hold it now. This is looking really, really great. I did not expect this phone. It's almost like a mini Xiaomi Mi 9 right here. It's like a little bit smaller, but not by much. You can see it there. And talking about the design of this phone, gosh, I kind of missed, you know, for all the crazy zany colored phones that I've been testing recently, to finally have like a nice understated color like this again, it's kind of nice. I've kind of missed it. And the Mi 9 SE, you know, it's funny to mention this, the Mi 8 SE. So the predecessor of this phone was the second phone I reviewed on Frankie Tech back in the day. And this Mi 9 SE has taken a major leap forward. You see there the edges, they look really great. There is, as you can see there, it looks like, yep, that's an IR blaster right there. Volume rocker on this side, power button. On the bottom we got USB-C. Just a really nice design, guys. Like, this feels so premium. I am just like impressed for the price. This almost feels like an iPhone XS. It really does. So that is incredible. So design wise, I'm loving it. The bottom bezel that you can see there is just as small as the one on the Mi 9, and the top, there you see it looks like it doesn't have the adjusted notch, but they can do that in software, and so that is a non-issue, and I can't wait to see them do that very soon. Talking about performance right here, I mean, this is the Snapdragon 712, so it's going to be really good to kind of put that in comparison here. But let's have a look around here at the version I got. Apologies, it's all in, in Chinese right now. I'm going to have to adjust that in a second. But let's go ahead if I can remember how to do this. I do not, so we'll have to get into that later. But in the meantime, let's talk about the just overall performance of this phone. So the version I got was the 6GB 128 gigs of storage version. This is the top of the line right here, guys. This is going to be a great comparison against some of those other mid-range phones that I've been testing, like the Lenovo Z5S, which I haven't sold just yet, but if you want to see that comparison. But the main comparison I really want to put this next to is the Xiaomi Mi 9, and really just put those two phones and show you the differences between them, and then really put this phone next to some of the other phones that I've been testing on the channel and really see if this 712 is almost acting more like a Snapdragon 845 replacement. I've seen the Geekbench scores there. I want to confirm them myself. It looks like this may be a strong enough chip to actually rival the Pocophone F1 for you guys looking into it. And so talking about audio, obviously no headphone jack on this phone. Those are long gone right there. But I will be testing the speakers on this phone, seeing if they're as good to the level of the Mi 9, which have, honestly has some very good speakers, very loud speakers at the very least on it. And now let's look at the camera interface right here. And as you can see, everything is in Chinese, but you can definitely understand the way it works. And this is the little wide angle lens. So you see it's got the triple camera setup on the back, same as the Xiaomi Mi 9, which is a really welcome sight here. Let's go ahead and take a Frankie Tech shot right here. We're going to take two. Then we're going to take one with a wide angle right there. Wide angle shot. And let's have a look at these two shots. So there is the normal angle shot. There it is, Mi 9 SE triple camera. I love seeing that dual watermark because that is just the proof right there that this is the Mi 9 SE. Looks pretty good, but that's the beauty of the wide angle. Boom. And you get so much more in the shot. You can see it there. It's looking really, really nice. I am very happy so far to see this wide angle on such a cheap phone. It may be the cheapest phone with a wide angle lens on it. And last but not least, the price I got this for. So I definitely did pay a little bit of a premium here. So this should be costing around if I'm not mistaken, 2,299 yuan for the 6GB 128 version. That's around 2,600 or 700 Hong Kong dollars. I paid 3,000 for this, a little bit upmarket price, but it doesn't matter because I wanted to get this phone. I wanted to get it as soon as I can. $200 or $300 is a non-issue, and I can't wait to put this through its paces and test this phone for you guys here on Frankie Tech. And so stay tuned for all those great videos coming up. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Oh, and one last thing I wanted to do here real quick was show you what was inside the box here. Let's put the phone aside real quick. And so you see you have your USB-C cable. Now, I don't think this is a fast charger right here. Let's have a look. Now, this is the China version of the phone, guys. So look in here. Looks to be a 15 or 18 watt charger, so it is not a fast charger, but doesn't matter because I will be definitely testing this with the Mi 9's charger, which you saw from my video the other day, charge amazingly fast. So hit me up with any comments, any questions. Thanks for watching this, guys, and definitely hit the bell icon for future updates on the Mi 9 SE. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech, signing off. Have a good one. One last look at the back. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.